Okay, I'm on my way now to one of Kuantan's newest mall, East Coast Mall. And this place have the most number of shops open at the moment. And they are just side by side to Kuantan City Mall. So the entrance is over on my right. Let's make a turn in here. And this is it. The back door to East Coast Mall. Yep, here we go. Wow, it looks nice and modern. A lot of shops here, not very crowded. Wow, there's a very long row of shops. Let's just go by this way first. Go up the escalator to the second floor. Okay. Wow, it looks really modern, nice and clean. Uniqlo. Looks like there are about 3 stories or 4 stories of shops. Ah, I see my Zeus coffee over there. My favorite. Okay, I'm getting hungry, so I thought I'd stop by this interesting looking restaurant, Korean restaurant, that is very well reviewed online. And I also discovered them on KL Foodie. So since I'm here, I'll just give it a shot. Okay, so this is the menu. Army stew. Yum yum. I think I'm having that. Yep. And I'm gonna have something refreshing. Okay. Kiwi 8. And the Kiwi 8 looks like that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, here it is. Kiwi 8. Having this while waiting for my food to arrive. Very refreshing. Okay, food is here. Army stew. Look at that, piping hot, sizzling away. Comes with white rice and their Korean side dishes, kimchi and all that. Look at that. What a beautiful lunch. Not many people around also. Nice. Okay, after that wonderful lunch, I went on to look for Zeus coffee here to have my coffee and cake. And this is just an idea of what I ordered. It's quite a lot. Okay, my coffee is here. Piping hot Americano. Yum yum. And this berry cheesecake. Oh my, delicious. What a beautiful dessert. Okay, after that wonderful walk around East Coast Mall, I decided to visit the nearby Keropok Lekor factory. Wow, an ikan bakar restaurant. Look at that. I think it's mostly open only at night, so now it's all closed. Here is another one. I think they said this is the better one. Okay, make a left turn here from the highway. It's just a short drive from East Coast Mall. Very near. And I think this is their wet market. This market serves the community and the kampongs around this area. So the locals get all their ingredients from here. Okay, let me get off the Grab car. I believe we are at the place now. Ah, okay. I see it. This is the place. Ghani Black Keropok Lekor. This is where the factory is. There's the sign. Okay, let me just show you how the shop front looks like. Okay, wow. And then they sell all those Keropok Lekor over there. Okay, let me just show you this first. All sorts of fish crackers that you can find here. You can bring home and cook it, fry it yourself. And over here will be the Keropok Lekor. Look at that. Oh, they are vacuum packed as well. 10 ringgit. Very affordable. Yeah, you can just bring this. Oh, this chili sauce. They said this goes very well with the Keropok Lekor. Okay, there are more assortment of crackers here. And I believe this one is ready to eat. Interesting. And you can also buy it by the weight, I think. It's like 1 ringgit 20 cent or something like that. Okay, if you're lazy to bring home and fry it yourself, you can just get them fried over here for a price of about 7 ringgit, and they will deep fry it for you. And then, oh, they are very active on social media as well. Look at that. Remember to give them a like, yeah? Okay, this is where they fry it for you. See it sizzling over there. Oh my, the smell is great. And then once it's done, they'll just give it to you, and it's ready to eat right away. Okay, let me just show you the kitchen behind the shop. And then you can see this is how they put all the ingredients together and then put it into shape, roll it up. And that is what you see at the shop front. See, this is how they do it. And over here are some of their ingredients that they use, the flour and all that. And over here, oh, this is where to do the first cooking. They put it in the hot water, boil it. Wow, it's really hot here. I can feel the heat. Let me just take a look. Where is the heat coming from? Oh, okay. Over this side you can see burning charcoal right under that big metal tub. Wow, it's really hot just standing here. And after this process is done, they will take it all to the front of the shop and sell it to you like that. See, that is how it looks like when it's done. Okay, let me just take a walk around their wet market area. Okay. Wow, I see the freshest ingredients available here. Oh, look at that. A lot of things you can buy from here. Koi, frozen koi. Ah, this looks interesting. This is the petai beans. Very popular in Indonesian, Malaysian and even Singapore dishes. See the beans inside there? They take it out and cook it. It's a fresh food area. Wow, look at the fishes, the prawns, crabs. This is where all the locals around this area get their ingredients from. And over here they sell the meat. And this whole place is accessible right beside the highway. Just make a left turn from the highway and you will arrive at this little road here. Okay, now I'm on my way to the Celup Tepung at Tanjung Lumut. Just past my hotel on my right just now, and just a short drive away from the Keropok Lekor factory. And now we are entering the Kampong Tanjung Lumut. This area you will see some schools. There it is, the school. And there is a mosque somewhere around here. Should be, oh wow, this is it. Wow, what a beautiful looking mosque. And then at the end of this road is the famous restaurant, Celup Tepung restaurant. There are a couple more restaurants around here as well. I think they are open at night. It's all closed now. Gonna make a right turn here. And in just a few minutes, we will arrive at the famous restaurant, Celup Tepung. Here it is. Wow, I can't wait to try their dishes. Oh, wait a minute. It's totally quiet. No one is here. That's strange. Yeah, so I just spoke to the... Wow, that is the mouth of Kuantan River. And here we are on Tanjung Lumut area. The fishing jetty is right there. Yeah, as I was saying, I spoke to the waiters at the restaurant. And oh wow, look at the boats here, so beautiful. And then this river leads all the way inwards to the city of Kuantan. Anyway, this fishing village is one of the earliest in the Kuantan area. And that's why you see a lot of ikan bakar restaurants popping up all over this part of Kuantan. Wow, the water looks very clean. Let me just give you a taller view of this area. So this is the fishing jetty where all the fishing boats are parked right here, and there is the restaurant over there. And right there is the beach. If you walk all the way, you will arrive at my hotel. Hello, kitty. Looks like a very tired cat. Oh yeah, as I was saying, I spoke to the waiters at the restaurant just now, and they mentioned that I was here way too early. I think they're all at the mosque for their prayers now, Friday prayers, and they will only open from 2 p.m. onwards. That's about more than 2 hours from now. Oh, this is their contact number if you're interested. Yeah, so it's gonna be about more than 2 hours from now, so I think I will have to sadly give it a miss this time. And now from here, I'll just take a slow walk from here to my hotel. Probably a 15-minute walk just following this road here. Oh, I simply love this rustic look of the kampong with the river over there. Such a nice place to just relax. Probably a bit too hot now. You can see my hotel right there in the distance, so it's gonna be about 15 minutes walk. Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Kuantan. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.